and if everything lines up, everything snaps in real nice. Okay, now I'm just going to put the screws in, and one of the deals on the gimbal that I'm going to have to repair, and he did not get a part for. Let me grab it over here. Let me show y'all. Yeah, it's right here. And it's this guy. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's this guy right here that's broken. Right there. So I'm gonna unscrew that, and then what I'm gonna try and do is super glue it first right here in place so it stays there, and then I'm gonna take some epoxy and put it around it. I'm not sure if that just adds more stabilization or stuff, or possibly some aerodynamic, who knows what, but okay. All right. Talk to y'all later. Okay. All the screws up here, or rather at the bottom of this, they're all the T6. And again, once again, I don't know if y'all heard that, but that's when all is lined up, and now we can just, and again, I'm not let me zoom out a little bit. Oh, I'm out as far as I can go. You don't want to over tighten these. Right now I'm just snugging them down, and I'll come back and okay. Tighten it down. Well, there's still some of this stuff is still snapping into place. I thought I already had it snapped all the way into place. And these are getting so tight that I can't even tighten them anymore. I mean, if I do, I'm going to break them, or I'm going to break the plastic. Okay, that's tight. That's tight. That's tight. That's tight. That's tight. It's tight. It's tight. It's tight. Oops. That's tight. And that's tight. Okay. So the gimbal, I'll put that, I don't know, maybe tomorrow or the next day. I need to, like I said, I need to fix that one piece, and then we'll be good, and then I'll charge his batteries, and we'll hopefully it'll work. All right, see y'all in a bit. Okay, hey, hope everybody's doing well. This is the camera of the drone that I'm working on, and it's kind of hard to see, but this piece right here, it's broken right there. He ordered all this other stuff, but I told him, man, I was not going to attempt to try and replace all this other stuff. He did get the new shocks, and it's a big difference. These little rubber guys right here. The other ones were really, I mean, you would do this like this, and they would just hang down and stuff. So, but right now, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go ahead and just super glue this area right there, and then I'm going to hopefully sand it down. It's got 2 screws here that you can pull it off. There's 2 screws right there, one here and one here. And you can pull this out. And then I'll sand it down and put some epoxy to strengthen it. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, I'll do that off camera. I mean, I'm just going to put, you know, I got this kind of single shot. I'm going to put some on there and then just let it set. And then, I don't know, tomorrow or something, I'll mess around with it. Okay, see y'all later.